The H23 error code on a Bosch dishwasher indicates that the appliance is in a delayed start mode of 23 hours, meaning it won't initiate a wash cycle until the set delay time has passed. This issue is often caused by the delay start mode being active. To resolve this, the first step is to cancel the delay start by pressing the cancel button, which will exit the delay start mode and return the dishwasher to its normal mode. After canceling the delay start, check if the error code is still present. If the issue persists, an electronic glitch may be the cause, and resetting the machine can resolve this. To reset the dishwasher, simply turn it off for approximately 3 minutes and then power it back on to see if the error code is still displayed. If the problem continues, resetting the dishwasher's computer may be necessary, which can be done by pressing the start or pause button for about 10 seconds, resulting in the error code disappearing or the display panel showing 0, indicating the delay start is off.